Around 200 domestic workers gathered together at Youth Centre Hall at Umkhra to celebrate International Labour Day on the 1st of May 2023, and it was organised by the NDWM Meghalaya region. The resource persons were Srimati Wanpanhun Kiesantio and Srimati R. Wardri, Supervisor of 181. Wanpanhun spoke about the origin of the day, ILO Convention, labour laws, and the importance of having a strong union in the state. Srimati R. Wardri spoke about the available schemes in the government which the unorganised group like the domestic workers can apply. It may be mentioned that this NGO was awarded by the governor as the best NGO working for domestic workers in the Meghalaya.
States ki kanthop kumya ka Bihar, ka Assam, ka Rajasthan, ka Kerala, ka Maharashtra, kini kidon na ka jang state legislation na ka benta ban ai ya ka jing yada na ka benta ki dong trayim. Kala ban long hakadur jang ka jing siu hakaba kila fix ya kata ka wage lani kila notify ya ka wage lani ya ka dor ya ka bai tray na ka benta ki dong trayim. Kala banlong ba kidon ki state ki bala set up lani ki bala shna ya ka welfare board ka ba kerpang ka ban pek na ka benta ka bha ka miat jong kinong trayim. Kala banlong ba kilawan ra ya ki an ki ban ai jing ya dai ki ha ka liang ka ban register ya ki ba katrat sarkar ba ka labor department kan ithu ki kum kita kinong tray nong bela ki bala ban yo ya kita ki schemes ani ki jing mentoy ki ba ka sarkar kalamang ndai ka basno si kalong ba menta na do 8000 lai ar post nam kanthi ka national domestic workers movement kala tray shitom ka jilla Meghalaya ban advocate yani ban ya kran ban ya tai ban ya pliu jingmut bat ka sarkar halor ka jing don kam ba ka sarkar kan ithu no ya kasen jong kinong trayeng bat ya kinong trayeng hi kum kinong tray kibatray na kabenta banwan ra ya karoy kapar ke imlang salang ya karoy kapar ki yang isam ki jong ki bat kum juru ban kentiu hi ya ka economy lani ya ka yo ka kot jong ka jila barok kawai tewa da preng ki diki a post nam kan ongi di ka jila Meghalaya jong hi kampat ithu ya kinong trayeng kum kita kinong tray ki bapura. But mana kapor nakaway ka jingyalang siya kaway ka jingyalang nga ngajuong ba kasorka kabomla ban ay jingyada ya kinong tray nong bala ki badai kilong kabi ba ki kantay kadai kasorka kabaram umar ka jingyada ka bahakmaktam kabadal kam kadai ka jingyada ya kilong kabi ba ki kantay namangi gidai ka trot bor but nidal kam ya kata ka jingpun ko bor kasorka bakan ay mo ya kata ka hok kajongi kum kinong bala bat ki ay kita kihok kiba let's say ngin saya kran mo ngin saya kran kidon syupun kini kiba ngangal tho angni ngan persyang man perlengkot kendiat ka jingkran nama ba kapor kanum sya kidang dan skini kiba ki resource person group te shwa bagi ngin ya chakmat ngatrai baro iko aban tip mo balai la rakhi kadika ya kadika labor day hitam dam balai la rakhi ka labor day manu batik ya ka history jong ka labor day